Pumpkin seeds are one of the most beneficial seeds you can consume, and they provide various health benefits. They effectively prevent diabetes, reduce cholesterol levels, prevent osteoporosis, help you lose excess body weight, and lower the cancer risk. Namely, pumpkins are healthy themselves, but their seeds are extremely high in important nutrients, such as vitamin K, potassium, magnesium, iron, calcium, and zinc. These are some of the most important health benefits of pumpkin seeds. Protect against diabetes. These seeds are high in unsaturated fatty acids, so they efficiently regulate blood sugar. In the case of diabetes, you should consume them on a daily basis. Reduce cholesterol level. Research has shown that pumpkin seeds reduce bad cholesterol by 13%. Moreover, they reduce blood pressure, so they also lower the risk of stroke, the formation of blood clots, stroke, and heart attack. Prevent cancer. Pumpkin seeds have a compound that effectively fights cancer cells, and have potent anti-inflammatory properties, so they lower the cancer risk by 23%. Prevent osteoporosis. Being high in zinc, which is vital for the bones, pumpkin seeds effectively prevent osteoporosis. Only a quarter cup of these seeds has 17% of the recommended daily amount of this mineral. Help weight loss. Pumpkin seeds are rich in proteins and fiber, so they provide a feeling of satiety that lasts long. Alleviate the symptoms of menopause. These seeds treat headaches, soothe joint pain, regulate heart attacks, and are of great help to individuals who are susceptible to mood swings.